Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, then welcome to the channel. We find ourselves on another CL site. This one is called Rowans. It's in Bognor. Really good, really good. It's got showers, it's got a laundry. I'll take you around in a minute and show you. Nice big pictures, reasonably priced if you're obviously caravan and motorhome club member, which I highly recommend. We've saved, well, we've got our money back already on what we've done in the last week. £22 I think it was for me and Tracy, and I think it's like £18 a night for Harley. Electric hookup included, dog included, car included, all of that. So really impressed with it. Let's go and have a look. There's the criminal. What are you doing, criminal? Yeah, okay. There's Harley over there, look. Wave at Harley. Shower block, toilet block over there. Lovely, beautiful. There's our pictures. Very cool. Let's go see what Harley's doing. I've settled the dogs off. Boo!
Don't come in here, it's a mess.
A bit like our van, don't worry about it.
Okay.
It's lived in, that's what they say.
Yeah.
Lived in.
Living the van life.
Living the van life. Van wife has gone off to get an airer because we've got a week's worth of washing, which we put in the laundry, and nowhere to dry anything because obviously it's a tiny space. So she's gone off to Argos to get an airer so we can hang all our washing up outside and ruin the view for everyone. It's really lovely. Smooth criminal. And because we won't be beaten by the weather, we're having a barbecue anyway, and drying the washing, and watering the dog.
This is good, isn't it?
It's hard being a vegan. Get off! Number. Quick view of the toilets and the showers and whatnot, you know. It's all very good. The sink areas in there, and then showers in there. Big showers. Haven't used them yet because I've been to the gym and used the shower. And obviously, toilets there. Very cool. No Wi-Fi on site yet, but it is coming, as this sign says.
I'm in the laundry facilities where we're staying for these few days while I'm on holiday. They're really nice. Definitely no washing up though. That is strictly no washing up. But there is a little washing up facility around the corner. But it's just really clean. These are the Speed Queen machines that I told you about that I'm using. They're about maybe 1.5 times bigger, I guess. Maybe even 2 than some drums, which is really good. Why is there always one little sock that ends up in that bit? That's now just going to be like soaking wet. See, these machines are £4. You have to do it in 4 tokens. A token is £1 for the washing machine. 15 minutes you get on the tokens for the tumble dryer. Probably quite pricey. But at this site, and I went out and bought one today, little sort of washing line that you put with the pins, like the tent pegs, and it's actually really sturdy. It's from Argos. Everyone has got them out, so I was like, oh, a bit at first I was like, oh, I don't know if I want to put a washing line out, but everyone's got them out, so I did it, and it's out there drying, so all is good. But yeah, nice little site, check it out.
Found this with Harley's van. We never investigated what it was before, but yeah, it's a nice new awning, hardly used by the looks of it. But she's going to sell it, I think, because she wants something else.
Okay, so we're in Bognor, staying at a campsite. It's been a week today since we moved out of the house. I still feel like I haven't really calmed down from it all, to be honest. We had so much washing to do. I definitely miss having a washing machine, but I guess I'll get used to it. What else? It's been alright, hasn't it? We've had the first few days since we left, I was working, so it just felt like I was coming home anywhere from work. I'm off this week, so we've tried to relax, but it is only Monday still? Monday. I don't know, my head's mushy, barely speak after all the traumatic experience of moving out of that house. But yeah, so far so good. No real dramas, has there? It's just getting used to it, isn't it? I think.
The minimal space.
Yeah. Like I feel like I need to really take everything out, repack it. I really don't need like 8 bikinis. It's like practically winter today. I've got a jumper on.
Nobody needs 8 bikini.
But no, to be fair, probably half the clothes I've got don't even fit me anyway. So I just thought, well, stick them in, decide later. And then I had loads of like stupid, all the like cleaning stuff from the house. Just trying to squeeze that. I just feel a bit ridiculous about the stuff we've got, but I don't know, we spend this week, we've got some dresses to change, admin stuff to do. I'd like to relax before I go back to work because it was absolutely hectic as anything. But yeah, so try and have a few days here, enjoy the view and the sunshine. Look everyone, it's a nice field, we're taking on a dog walker now. But yeah, lovely. Speak soon.
Lovely.
So the dog walk we're on is a nature reserve. One of the little pictures with all the little birdies on and butterflies and dragonflies, but it goes on this walk I think for about 6 miles, one of the other dog walkers told us. But it's gorgeous. I mean, Biscuit can't cope with 6 miles. We'll have to probably get a doggy pack for her, but yeah, if you've got some dogs and you want to spend a bit of time out, it really is an extra trail. A little bunny just jumped all the way across. I said, quick Brent, get your phone out. He dropped it, like, so it practically ran away. It's popped its head back out. Do you know what I mean? So stealthy. But see if I was probably going to be scared of my laundry bag in a minute. That's wafting behind me.
Little job I'm going to do while Mrs H is in the shower over the road. I'm going to stick this down there, because when I put all the sockets in, I put one there and I put one behind the telly and I put one over there and I put several in there for electrical bits and bobs. I didn't put one there, and it's a pain when I'm on the laptop or anything and I've got a wire traipsing across, so I'm going to put one there I think right now. Yeah, so my 240 cable is coming around the back of the LPG tank here and around the side, and then goes across there up to that socket. So we need to get behind there and cut that. Ta-da! We decided to take the awning off a Harley because it fits our van really well. There's the washing line, which is alright. So yeah, we're gonna have it, which is cool, right? Biscuit likes it, of course. Get a better view. What is it?
I'll get in a minute. Why is it so weird? We've actually not used it, but it looks handy. So it says it's a barbecue and fire restart usable.
Yeah.
I was about to take the packaging out. Obviously, like that's got stuck already. But I think basically you put all your little fire lighters in. Everyone's probably used these. We look really dim now, but I've never seen it before. And it was on offer last summer. Put all your little fire lighters in, and look, you make a little mountain of bricks. Stick it in, because you know you like to put icing all over the coals with that fire gel.
Icing.
It looks like icing all that white gel down there. And then to get it going, that might. Has anyone used one? Let me know if it's any good. I'm going to make Brent put it on tonight anyway.
Are we putting the barbecue on?
Yeah, it's not raining. We normally do it in the rain. It's actually not raining, so I think we should.
Okay. News to me.
Well, I don't know. We don't have to onion made. I think I could probably put a fish on or something.
Fish?
Like salmon.
Oh. Okay.
I don't know. And Harley's got a bit of coronation chicken lurking in the fridge, so maybe I'll stick that on. Bit of roast veg. It's fairly healthy. Do you not think? So I've just looked at the actual picture and it looks like super noodles. Might be straw in there, and that's how they're doing it. So it's like proper, like going back to basics. No firelighters are involved in that, isn't it? Look,
What?
can you see?
We've got to put straw in it.
Yeah. Or super noodles without any flavouring.
Super noodles.
Well, that's what it looks like.
To light the fire.
No, I don't think it's super noodles. I think it's just like balls of straw or something. I mean,
Okay.
it does look a bit like
Go
elastic bands as well.
get foraging.
Yeah, we've got firelight, so I don't need to. But I wonder if that would work. Actually, I don't think you're going to get many in. I think just try.
I think it looks mystical.
Wonder what else you could put in there.
Anything triangular. Explain what this is. What is it?
The Adventure Begins RV Travel Logbook by Tracy and Brent. We got bits of paper in here.
Oh, that was the guy.
This is unorganised. You can have that back.
That was the guy. Remember the guy at the tip because we got flagged up because we did so many runs.
Oh yeah.
And
oh,
you two
yes.
went. Bless
Oh,
him.
yeah.
Oh,
He did
yeah.
you a little list. Places that are good.
Yeah, the day we went to the tip and we got
Flagged.
flagged because we've been so many times.
Suspicious activity going
10
to
plus
the
journeys in like one day because we were literally there every day, weren't we? So we got
Yeah.
a little book and it's only basic, but I like it. I mean, it suits me being basic. But the adventure begins and it's a little bit like when she was born, 1989, her height, her length and her weight. Oh, bless her.
What about the van?
What about the van?
It's like what you get for a newborn.
I know. I feel like it is a newborn. Anyway, so we did our first.
Whoa, essay. We didn't do this much work at school.
I didn't. Literally just did that to do. So you have a little travel index. We did page number 1 and where we went. Oh, I'm so like studious. I've never been this studious in my life.
Studious.
Studious.
Wow.
Yeah.
Word of the day.
So a little travel log. That was that East Hoadley one we talked about, didn't we? It was our little. It's cute because you put the weather, little pros and cons, where it is, what we did, how much it cost. Don't think it asked for that much, but I just went on and carried on and just did loads of stuff. Local food, barbecue, because that's what we did. We didn't actually go anywhere. Oh yeah, activities carried out. Tracy working in Eastbourne Monday and Tuesday. That was obviously I was annoyed when I was writing.
Even the book needs to know.
Even the book needs to, I need to remember going, yeah, I remember that trip, I was working. Right, so this one, I can do it, can't we? And then it's a new one.
Right, so my MPPT Charge has arrived from a Rhenology. Awesome, it's 40 amp. And it's way bigger than the one that I've currently got, which is in here. Way bigger. That's the one we're currently using. Yeah, so that's going to have to go there because that's where the cables are. So sorry, Mrs. H.
You're stealing my cupboard. You're having a laugh, right? How long have I taken to get that cupboard and get it almost looking normal?
I'll have to give you some of my other cupboard.
You didn't want to give up that cupboard before. Funny that, now we want to share.
Got to be done though. So brecker first, and then we'll put that in. Right, so this is currently what this control is doing. It's a bit overcast today, cloudy, then sunny, then cloudy. So just flicking through. So you can see battery's kind of full. Anyway, because we're on hookup, but we won't know really until we go off grid again to see how this performs in comparison to this one. But it's just to show you when the sun's out, getting like 16 amps. So that will start trickle charging soon. There you go. So we'll disconnect the solar panels, disconnect it all from the battery, and then whip this in and see how we go. Whew, there it is. I had to put it sideways because it doesn't fit the cupboard, but it'll be alright like that. I'll use the app for the info anyway. But what I've noticed is straight away the amps coming in are more consistent. So it's coming in at 18.43. The highest I ever got out of the other one was about 16, but it used to fluctuate, it used to go up and down like crazy. And this seems to like just keep it at a constant thing, so it's obviously a lot better. I don't know if it will, I don't know how to use it, of course. Don't know what any of it means. Saying I've got 100% battery, which I have, which is nice. 13.6. Anyway. So there you go. I think that's going to be a vast improvement, definitely. So I'll let Mrs H pack this cupboard again. Mrs H!